So we are here, guys, again at Ayammarwa Appaloosa. So I'm trying to show you the environment around so that you can check. You see, it's looking good. So guys, once more again, let me say good morning and good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending on the time you're watching this amazing video from I Am Ramsey. Yeah, for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting me. Keep supporting me. I love you people. May God bless you. And also, for if you're new here, okay, I go by the name I Am Ramsey, and I'm a content creator, vlogging with a village life in Africa, Kenya, especially. I'm basing right now in construction. So that's why today I'm here at Appaloosa. You know, Appaloosa is a horse stable. A horse's stable. So this is a horse stable of Ayammarwa. So I'm here today. Let me show you. I'm here today, guys. You know, today is I think it's the 3 days. It's 3 days. So let me turn the camera and show you so that I can end my video. Good morning from East Africa. Yeah. Bro. Niaje. This is horses, guys. They look beautiful. Me, I love them. And you can see this one. Wow. Look at that, another one there. Bro, weka video.
Sasa kama subscribe
hasa mimi. Unaona kutoka siku ile mara aongee kwa simu yangu. Kwa nini niongee kwa simu yake? Ni watatu.
Mimi navuka kuliko wewe.
Wewe una watatu.
Wewe ulianza siku gani? Siku tatu. Wewe ulianza jana. Lakini wewe umejengea watu wengi, utapata video.
Kuna mtu aliniambia wewe nini? Hiyo mzee ina ngapi? Hiyo haina.
Ukitaka kuvuke, ende mwambie Maro akusupport.
Mimi venye Maro tu aliongea nilikuwa 37. Nikuonyesha sasa niko na 164.
Aliniambia leo.
Alikwambia ataongea? Akiongea na uongee. Wewe ongea hata kama ni Kiswahili kama ni Kiingereza ila uongee kidogo hata kama dakika 3. Sio tunaongea eti niko naitwa fulani hivi uache. Haitaenda. Mimi ile ya kwanza si tuliongeaga hivyo. Hii ya jana ndio ilinifurahisha.
Sasa kama na wawili Mungu wangu.
Unajua Bibata amenituma. Beautiful people, I'm showing you the view of Ayammarwa, please. Yeah, this is the view of Ayammarwa. This is his car. So, you know, sometimes it's good to walk around and say, you know, it's beautiful. A beautiful place, guys. I'm admiring this house. By the way, I'm not lying. I'm admiring this house. You can see the horses down there. Here. Huh? So, guys, see you later. We'll talk after I come back. So guys, this is the look of Ayammarwa stable house. You can even see they putted the mirror over there, but this place they didn't finish. But I thought this one is the where it will be ventilation. They will put something like a kichujio, no? So whereas we are working here, guys, I didn't see this because I thought that they will put cabros here, of which I know they will put here, but now they started putting inside here. This is where they are putting the cabros. You can see very well, and this is the room of a horse. Yes, so this is the room whereby a person will be living here to look after these horses inside. So there's the cabros down here, guys, because they were passing with their wherever like sand, nini. They have carried a lot. So you can even see it's looking good. So even the house is looking good. At least they have transformed it to a good level now. It's becoming good, even though they have not yet finished even painting the walls. They will paint, but after this construction they will paint. You can see the cabros how it was. It was looking good, guys. So I'm trying to show you the progress. You know, this is my third day here, so I'm trying to show you the progress. So this is how it will be. This is how it will be. You can see the house is coming, is creating beautifulity. The house is creating beautifulity. You can see, guys. So the cabros, you know, they put the cabros till the start of the door there, and they were just take it down this way. Take it down this way. You can even imagine there was a what was here? Something here. And they even remove it. So guys, think you are seeing it clearly. So you can even see here. So this is the cabros, guys. I think they are looking good. They will be looking good. You know, even the horses will be not tired walking here. The horses will not be tired walking here, right? Yes. So guys, that is good. That is beautiful. Wow, that is beautiful. So guys, I want to end my video in style. You know, I don't want to give a long video so that people will be tired watching it, because you people, you are doing great. You've been watching my video. I really thank you so much. For my audience, you are doing a great job. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. May God bless you. And also sometimes, let me say, if you're new here, guys, just go watch my video and support me by watching my video till end, so that I can achieve 4,000 watching hours. Also, if you are a new subscriber, can you subscribe then, and you turn the bearing on so that you'll be notified when I'm posting my video. This is the guy are working here. Think it's my world. Mujomba Amos Nyabohanse.
My brother.
How are you, man?
Good.
Hey.
Yeah.
Tajiri, how are you, Tajiri?
Thank you.
So guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.
So good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you people? We are heading to the office. All right. Office of. Okay.
You are laughing.
A very good morning, guys. A very good morning from East Africa. This is East Africa. Good morning. A very beautiful morning here. Wait, what happened? Because you can see the environment can allow you to see everywhere, and atmosphere is allow us to inhale good weather. All right, climate cool. By the way, if you are, it is your first time to cross this beautiful channel, please guys, warm welcome and feel at home. Subscribe, share, like, and most importantly, watch the video till the end, because I have a lot to share with you. My name is Gilberto, Architecture and Construction. Okay, you can allow this man can pass here. Things in my world. How are you doing? Maybe you can stand here so that we can project even the construction there.
Okay.
Because we would like to display our faces. Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice to meet you. It's a very beautiful morning,
Yes.
and I've seen that you've already started your daily
started.
activity.
Yeah. You know,
Okay.
this place is
Uh-huh.
for healing now.
Yeah, it's
Also,
something hip or
yeah,
healing.
in the morning.
Mhm.
It's very good. So we drink lots
Uh-huh.
while you're still.
Still have an energy.
Yeah. Because when the sun comes out now, it's going to rain.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So this guy I can allow him to introduce himself to you guys, the World family. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Hello guys. This is Things in My World. That's on YouTube. Please check me out, subscribe, and go to success. Yeah, we are here already. Started the activities of today, and I really appreciate. Watch the video until the end. Show some love. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you. Let's proceed. So I was asking you guys to make sure that you subscribe, you share, and you watch the video till the end, because we have a lot of things to share with these beautiful people. Like my friend is here, Mambo Angel is here. You can
Mimi
see-
mama alisema haitwi Angel, anaitwa Bahati,
But
si ndio?
tunamuita Angel. We call her Angel. Me and Marwa.
Eh,
This is Angel.
Angel.
Anaenda kwa Marita. Sawa? Umepiga picha kweli?
Angel.
Kwa mami.
Angel.
Kwa mami. Gilberto amekuja. Sawa? Haya, naenda kwa mami. Project. Amos Nyabohanse. Yeah. Okay, I've seen you on YouTube.
Amos Nyabohanse.
How is you, my brother?
Mambo poa. Niaje? Anka mjomba. Uko fiti? Goodie.
Where I'm standing here, I'd like to talk to you guys.
So guys, I'm showing you the progress of cabros they were putting over here. Okay, Gilberto.
So you can see how the display is already took place here. It's give us some accreditation so that this road or this lane can show you that this is Ayamarwa Apelusa Horses Stable. It's a very good looking structure. You can see how we are able to even to reduce hip or mount so that the animals cannot struggle to ascend here
Okay.
or
Okay.
mount here. So you can see, as you can see, the structure is showing the world that it is international horse stable.
Yeah.
International
Of course,
horse
it's
stable.
look like,
Right?
not even look like it's an international stable.
All right.
Yeah.
You can even take picture in terms of thumbnail.
All right.
Okay.
All right. You know, I'm taking picture. All right. All right. All right. There we go. There we go. There we go.
So you can
Wonderful.
see how the display in the Iron Marwa Empire are in technical way. Amazing. Look. And you can see how the weather is. We'd like to invite you.
Fanya mkono hivi venye Gilberto amefanya.
We'd like to invite you to explore East Africa, especially
Ciao.
Kenya here in Nyabohanse, which is the heart of YouTube in this area. Alright? So if you want to be a content creator with a lot of skills, just buy time to explore
Yes,
East Africa,
yes.
especially this place, so that you'll be excited and to enjoy life
Okay.
together with us.
All right.
Alright. Let's taste it my world.
Okay. So guys, I'm showing you here. This is where they reach in terms of yes, Gilberto. This is where they reach in terms of cabros. Okay. Guys, take around. Take also around.
Alright. Jengo linaonekana lote kweli.
Yani
Alright, kuanzia juu mpaka chini.
yani juu mpaka chini.
Morning.
Morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. My phone's like it's looking dirty today. I don't know why. It's black.
Oh,
Eh.
it depends of the type of the phone.
No.
So that I'll give you
Don't
some-
disgrace my phone.
All right. You
Okay.
can see some changes happened here.
Yeah, I see.
So,
Of course, there's some changes.
so
So this is a septic tank.
may I explain a little bit?
Okay, just
About?
explain. Just explain.
So here you can see a new pit here, as you can see.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, we've started with the manhole chambers there.
Mm-hmm.
There's a manhole chamber in the start, and this is inspection chamber. Can you show them?
Okay, let me show you the man. This one and
Alright.
this one.
Okay,
All right.
all right.
So guys, this one and this one.
Especially
This one.
Okay, so
What is mkono weka
as you
tu.
can see,
Shika tu.
as
Okay.
you can see, guys, from manhole chamber to inspection chamber, this is another bigger chamber
Mhm.
known as biodigester septic tank pit.
Mhm.
All right, or bioseptic.
Okay.
All right,
All right.
and this is a essential and a crucial pit because without this pit, you cannot access the accessibility that must be revealed with the drainage system. Because this pit will drain solid waste, will change solid waste into wastewater, right? Into wastewater. So you can see even the height, it is not high. Yeah?
2 feet.
Almost 3 feet, right? But most important height I'd like to show you the world is that the place that we're gonna use is this distance or this height from the slab until this height. This is what we call that the main height that will be used into this whole project. And this height will not be filled by wastewater. It can't, and it will not.
And
This
it will
height
never.
of 1 feet and some inches, or even 1 feet. All right. I will fill water until this level, so that this level can determine that whatever things will happen in this pit, we already measured by this height. Remember, this is an inlet. This
Inlet
pipe is inlet
from the pipes that we.
from the main source of this wastewater. This is inlet or entrance. So it is able to welcome wastewater from outside into this pit, which is biodigester septic tank.
Okay.
And after that, here I will build a box called crushing box. So this box will be able to crush solid waste into small particles of waste, and it will be dumped fall into water. That water will be a mixer with a biochemical, which will be at this level, directed by Gilberto. So it means that I will fill water into this pit until this level.
Okay.
So when it drop into this water, which is chemical water or mix of water and biochemical, this box will be here. It is a filter.
Filter
It
here.
Yeah, it will be able to filter any particles which can be emerged onto water, so that it will block. It will block to enter as a solid.
Okay.
This filter will filter everything here from solid form into waste water in fine form. All right.
Oh.
So that's why we have those pits or that pit
Over there.
before this place, known as soak pit. And the soak pit will take place in terms of action using this that methodology of God to filtrate water. For
Methodology.
example, you can see 2 days back, all right, it was raining.
Yeah.
And it happened that erosion was happening here and come with a lot of water into these pits. But where is the water now?
No water.
No water.
Yeah.
Nothing inside the pit because
nothing.
these pits are able to filtrate
Oh, I got
any
you.
liquid in form of water. So it means that our pits are necessary and are working well because what we need is a filtration like it happened.
Alright, okay.
That is a continuous job that God will take place to filtrate any form of water into his soil. And after some distance, you have a clean water so that you can drink mineral water. From Gilberto and God and Marwa transformation. Right? So we're in a creation is that God created us to use waste, the product of waste, into the original form, from waste to fine water, so that you can consume as a cycle. You consume food, you produce waste, and those waste in form of solid waste into wastewater. You cannot consume that wastewater, so you need to filtrate. And as a human being, you cannot filtrate that wastewater as a human being individually. That's why we need God to filtrate that wastewater into fine and mineral water, so that you can consume that product from the waste. And we live like that.
Yeah.
And there is no time that you've heard that maybe there is a certain place in the world that there is a huge amount of waste there, just because God has already failed to produce that methodology of filtration. That is the methodology. It's methodology. God's methodology make us live in a peaceful way, but we are consuming and producing waste, and those products of waste, they return into fresh products so that you can consume that product from wastewater.
This world.
That is how we live.
Yeah.
And by the way, it's Gilberto Architecture and Construction together with I Am Marwa. Big shout out to you, I Am Marwa. Big shout out to you guys, the one family.
What about me?
Big shout out to I Am Ramsey. All right, I Am Ramsey.
Okay.
Behind the camera, the guy. So big shout out to you guys, all of you guys around the world that you are supporting us in whatever means. I know that you've sacrificed yourself to make us where we are, or to put us where we are, because without your effort, we would not be at this stage. I really urge you to subscribe, to watch the video till the end, play my playlist. If you have an extra gadget, please think about Gilberto and I Am Ramsey. All right? Do you have a playlist?
Yes,
Okay.
I have.
Just play even I Am Marwa videos because we are heading somewhere with I Am Marwa. Maybe you didn't ask me about this badge.
I was almost want to ask you
It
that.
was almost, but you didn't.
Yes, okay.
You can see.
Let me project it
Gilberto
well.
is an official guy, as you can see.
Wow.
What
NSA.
NSA? What is NSA?
Okay.
NCA. It is NCA, National Construction Authority. So Gilberto is an authorized guy who can supervise. He's a supervisor. Can you read?
Yeah, site supervisor.
Site supervisor.
Create.
You don't want to read, or you don't know to read?
No. Just
accreditation.
Accreditation card.
Okay.
All right.
So it means that
So let me.
National Construction Authority accredited me that I can be a supervisor in any construction, any site, everywhere
around Kenya.
In Kenya.
Not even Tanzania.
No.
Beyond the country.
Beyond the country, I have to access some
authority from them.
Authorities from above, internationally.
Okay.
So you have to ask some papers and to have some consultation about what you're gonna do out of the country, because 2 years ago I was in Tanzania. I do my technical jobs. Yeah, I was accessing some places 400 kilometers from the border, but I had to pay some fee in terms of tax.
Taxing,
right?
yeah.
To
the government.
They told me that if you wanna cross this border and you are going to work in our country, you have to pay some fees because we have some technicians
here around here, and they are not working.
In that particular
I understand.
country,
I understand.
that they are not working there because
you
are going to take their job.
Oh, okay.
So
pay the taxi.
For taxes, you have to produce some income.
Okay.
Income.
All right,
in favor of their country.
So
I accepted, and my boss paid around $150. All right?
Yeah, $150. That is 130 Kenyan money shillings.
No.
$150.
By the way, it was.
How much was it?
It was 250,000 Tanzanian shillings.
250.
So you can convert in dollar currency in dollar, because it paid.
Like
he paid He paid 250,000 Tanzanian shillings. That is accessibility fee, or that fee allowed me to work in Tanzania in terms of out of Kenya or out of border, right? I was beyond country. Beyond border. So a lot of information. For more information, just check out my videos. Check out Gilberto Architecture Construction, or it's Gilberto, as you can even read
the logo.
You will find more than we are talking about. Just think about Gilberto.
Independent construction and site supervisor.
All right. Okay, you're improving.
Okay. I'm improving.
So let us resume our today's job so that we can show action. Thank you so much, everybody.
So, guys, let me start by telling you today is an amazing day. It's a good day God has given unto us. We so much appreciate. You know me, I'm so humbled. Each and every morning when I wake up, I must say thank you to the Lord. We are back here again at a Palooza of Iron Marwa here. This is where we are, guys. You can see this is where we are. Let me turn the camera this way so that you can see.